Welcome to Linux Help tutorial. I'm going to explain about how to install Fiyo CMS in Ubuntu. Fiyo CMS is a very nice and simple CMS which helps to create some attractive websites. For installing the Fiyo CMS, you need to install the Apache Web Server, PHP and MySQL Server. Now we can see the installation of Fiyo CMS in Ubuntu. First we can install the MySQL server apt-get install -y space mariadb -server. Now give enter. Now the package is getting downloaded and then it will be installed. This will take some time. Now the MySQL server is successfully installed. Now we can log in to the MySQL server mysql -u root -p and give enter. Enter your password. Now we logged into the MySQL server. Now we can create database for the Fiyo. Create database space Fiyo and end it with the semicolon. Now give enter. Now the database is created. Next we can grant privileges for the database and create database user and set password for the database user. Grant all privileges on the database, that is Fiyo dot asterisk 2. Now the database user, that is Fiyo user at localhost identified by, then the password for the database user. Now end it with the semicolon. Now give enter. Now the database user is created and the privileges are set for the Fiyo database. Now flush the privileges, flush privileges, semicolon. Now give enter. Now exit the MySQL server /q. Next we can install the Apache Web Server apt-get install space Apache 2. Now give S to download and install the packages. And the packages are getting downloaded and installed. This will take some time. Now the Apache Web Server is installed. Next we can install the PHP and the required PHP modules. The command is apt-get install PHP 5 space lib Apache 2 -mod -php 5 space php 5 -mcrypt space php 5 -mysql space php 5 -gd. Now give enter. Now give us to download and install the packages. This will take some time. Now the PHP modules are installed. Next we can download the Fiyo CMS installation package. Now change the directory to /opt and download the package from the following link using the wget command. Wget, then the download link. Now give enter. Now the package is getting downloaded. This will take some time. Now the package is downloaded. Now extract the package using unzip command. Unzip the package name space -d and the directory to specify to extract the package Fiyo CMS. Now give enter. Now the package is extracted. Now move the Fiyo CMS directory to var www.html/Fiyo CMS. Now give enter. Now the directory is moved. Next you need to make the files in the Fiyo CMS directory to be readable by the web server. So you need to set the ownership, change on www-data colon www-data space -r space var www.html slash fiocms. Now the ownership is set. Next we can see how to create the virtual host directive in Apache. First you need to create the configuration file touch slash etc apache 2 sites available slash fiyo cms.conf. Now give enter. Now the file is created. Next you need to link the file ln space -s slash etc apache 2 sites available slash fiocms.conf space slash etc apache 2 slash sites enabled slash fiocms dot conf. Now give enter. Now the file is linked. Next we can edit the configuration file nano slash etc apache 2 slash sites available slash fiocms. Now give enter. Now we need to add the following entry to the file. Here's the virtual host configuration. Just copy this configuration and paste it in the configuration file. In the server name, you need to mention your host name of your system. My host name is Linux Help. You can change your host name in the server name. You can change your host name based on your system. After editing the host name, just save the file and exit. Now restart the Apache web server service Apache 2 restart. Now the Apache web server is restarted. Now open the web browser. Now in the search bar, now enter your IP address 5.222 slash. You need to enter the Fiyo CMS. Now give enter. Now we can see the Fiyo CMS installer pages appear. Now we need to enter the database information. The host name is localhost. The database user is the database that is created. Now we need to enter the database user, that is Fiyo user, and the password for the user. And now we need to mention the database name, that is Fiyo. Now click next. Next you need to enter the website title. I'm going to give new site. Now we need to mention the administrator username. I'm going to give user1 and the administrative password and repeat the password and enter the administrator email. It is user1 at linuxhelp.com. Now click next. Now you can see the installation is completed. Now you can go to the admin panel. Now select the go to admin panel. Now we can enter your username and password to log in. User1, that is the administrator user. Now enter the password for the user and click login. Now I successfully logged in into the Fiyo CMS. Now we can change the language. By default, the language is Indonesia. Now select the settings and select the settings and click configuration. And in the configuration, here you can see the last tab. Now change the language to English, and you can change your time zone here. Set your own time zone, and after making changes you can save the configuration, and now you can see the language is changed to English. Here's the sample site that is created, and if you want to create the articles you can use the articles option here, new article, and you can list the articles that are created and the categories, and you have the apps, and you can add your contacts here, and here's the file manager to add your images, videos and files, and here's the modules. You can insert the other modules by clicking the insert option. Here are all the other modules that are available, and you can change your themes using the here's the theme option that is available. Here's the user list. You can add your new user by clicking the new user, and here's the plugins. These are the 4 plugins that I enabled. The Fiyo CMS is successfully installed in Ubuntu. Thank you for watching.